Hello everyone, at the end of this video series, you will be able to make a footstep counter or the number of steps you have walked, and it helps to calculate the miles, calorie, and duration. So stay tuned and watch complete tutorial. So you will be able to make such types of application using a Flutter. So make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you. So it is our it is our picture. So first of all, let us make here some of the folder so that it helps us. So it helps us to make our app easier. So let us make exit. So now inside our body, I think it consists of pick the color. So it have color. So let us copy and let us make a scaffold body and let us return a stack. And stack consists of child, I think children. So let us make a container. So height make us media query. And our voltage. So now let us decorate. So box decoration, it has property gradient, linear gradient. So for color, let us make color and our copied value. So one of it, and here we have to constant, and let us check another color. So I think this is the other color. So let us copy it. Now color, and here's come our gradient value. So let us check how does it look. And here you can see that our gradient. So let us make begin alignment dot top center to end. Alignment dot bottom center, I don't know it is. So and alignment dot to be a bottom center, and its value change. So and now we get our gradient value. So now let us check what our other value. So let us then yours is our three text button. So let us make it first. So for that I use a widget. So let us make top text. So that let us make a stateless widget. So method and a stateless widget. Let us name it top text and let us return here text button and write is showing child add address. Now we can return a text button. So let us first return a container and then we will return a text button. So container and child we have here we have today text and in column we have a small bar. So for that let us make it row and column, return column children. So in our first line there is text. So let us, so here in first we have today. So let us write here today and it has style. So let us make style. I use Google font, but my favorite is Beats. So I use that. You can use anyone. So let us make a color. Color start white and font red. And let's make some letter spacing of 2. So let us see how does it look like. So in our dashboard let us make her container and reserve height of and width of and in child we use a single child scroll view. So in single child scroll view let us make child is column and after that let us call our top text top text. So let us see how it look like and let us make constant and also let us define constant. So I is showing it over. So inner side white space let us see how does it look like. And size box, let us make height. Okay, toolbar height. So let us see, and here you can see that our text widget here comes here. So let us make some changes here. Font size, let us make 30. I think 25 is okay. So I think it's okay. So it look good. So now let us make our button text. So for that, let us make a container with height of I think 1 and width of 20, and let is color to color start green, and I think we should increase the width. So let us make width of 40 and height of 3. I think it look good. We should increase the some 800. It too long, so make us 80. I think 80 is perfect. It is imperfect, so 70 is good, I think. Sorry. Size box, and let us make it of height of 10. It's too far, so make us 5 is okay, I think. Yeah. Now make us constant value, and I think this one is constant. So format it. Now let us make here some of the functions. So for that we have to make a container clickable. So let us return rapid with the gesture detector. And on tap function is added. So let us make here do something. Now let us make here parameter string, and let's say text, and let us make boolean function is active, and let us make a function on tap. So now we have to make here constructor. So dot text, this dot text, this dot is active, this dot on tap function. So I think it's written, we have to return your constructor, key constructor. So it is good. Now we should replace it here with text, and let it be here on tap. if it is active, then its color is green, else its color its color is no. So I think when it is active it is only visible, so let's make color start green, and let us wrap it with widget cards visibility. So let us wrap it with visible is equal to is visible is active. So when it is true, then only it is showing. Now also you can replace is active, then its color change to green, else its color is white. Now let us see, here it's come the error, so we have to pass here some of the parameter. So for that let us top text, and here text is today is active is equal to true, and on tab let us return here print this was tabbed. So let us see our app is working or not. So let us make another copy. Actually let us wrap it with row, it's called row, and then let us make a copy and paste it, and so why it is not showing, make us alignment. Center right. Why it is not showing, I don't know. Let us rebuild it. And here you can see that our today is soon. So let us wrap our gesture detector with some of the padding, or let us wrap our container with the padding. Actually let us wrap our gesture detector with padding. So here you can see that it's looking pretty good. So for that let us set false, then here we can see that it is active for only one, and we have plan and daily. So let us make it plan, and again copy, and let us make paste here. So daily. So here you can see that our top part is almost finished. So here's the little bit space, so you can easily manage it by making some of the changes here 10, and let us decrease our font size to something like 20. It's looking pretty good. So now let us make a button here. so it's circular button. So let us make a circular button here. So let us say dot, and let us make input material and stateless widget. So let us say container button and with container. So let us make height of something like media query dot of content dot size dot height into 0.05 width of width into 0.5 and decoration box decoration. Let us make a border radius dot circular of let us make 100 and see what changes. Color light green, I think light green. So let us return in our dashboard. So here we have so container button, and let us constant. So reload it. Oh, it is so big. So let us make changes. Let us make it 0.9 and let us, I think it's perfect. Let us 1.5 is pretty good, I think. Oh, pick 1.2 1.1. Yeah, it's perfect. And let us increase some little height, 5.6 and 5.7 actually. I think 5.6 is good. And let us increase width to 5.13. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. And let us make it 150. It's looking pretty cool. So now it consists of an arrow. So let us make a child and icon. Icons dot drop down pin drop down, and let us make here changes. Colors dot white and size let us make 50. I think it's looking pretty good. Let us increase the size to 70. Oh, it does not fit. Let us wrap it with center. And I think it will change. Let us make it 50. It's looking good. Make it perfectly green. So yeah, it's looking good. I think height is pretty bad 9. It's not looking perfectly circle, so let us make it 200. Now it's looking perfectly circle 06. I think it's good. Now let us manage here in our dashboard. So for that, let us make here some of the size box of width, media query dot of context dot size dot width into 0.05. I think it's better to make 5. Oh shit. 3. I don't know if it perfectly fit to 5 is perfect, I think. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty cool. So we have make our top. So